Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set a default agent for billing in LOGIC ERP. So let's get started. Head to the Sale Voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Under Other Settings 1, click on the Other Settings option. Here, you will find an option labeled as Default Agent, which displays all the available agents configured in the system. Simply select the desired agent from the drop-down list and set it as the default for billing. Once selected, don't forget to save the changes made. Now let's move to the Sale Bill window. Click on New Bill to refresh the Sale Bill window. As you can see, the default agent is now automatically set here by default.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.